Hi guys, thank you for checking out another one of our videos here at Black Stag Styling. Always a pleasure to have you along for another one of our videos here, and on this occasion we have a Ford Raptor in with us. We have a previous Raptor we've done on our channel, so do check that out. That's some styling work we've done to one, but on this occasion this one is in with us to have a sliding bed system with twin drawers. I had to try and remember exactly what it was then. So sliding like bed system, and then underneath that you've got the twin drawers as well that slide out. So stay tuned for this one. We're going to go right the way through us. We're supplying and fitting this, so do give us a shout here at Black Stag Styling if we can help with anything like this. Yeah, follow all the way through, see what it looks like at the end. They're a lovely bit of kit, these drawer systems, if you need to carry any tools or toolboxes, anything like this, and of course also keep it all hidden and locked away. So we're going to get this into the workshop now, but as always please do like and subscribe to the channel, turn on the old notifications, and then you'll stay up to date with everything we are doing, as we have some cool stuff on its way for you to check out. Right, we're going to get this into the workshop and get on with doing the work so we can get it all ready for the customer to collect. Here we go, roll the intros. So we've now got the Raptor into the workshop, and Tommy is about to fit the system. Talk us through it.
Oh, wrong Raptor, sorry.
I like it. Like a little Raptor impression there, mate.
We have, I've clawing them in all day. So we have a bed drawer system. I forgot what it's called for a minute.
Sliding bed and drawer, twin drawer system.
Sliding bed and twin drawer system to go inside this lovely Raptor. So I shall be taking the spare wheel off, the underneath, so I've got access because I'm going to drill holes through, because we don't want to glue it on, do we?
No, we won't, yeah, definitely.
We'll bolt it in.
Definitely won't bond it on, you're right.
And we take this top off here, take the drawers out so you can get to the underneath to drill your holes through, mark them out, and bolt it in.
Jobs are good,
huh? Yeah.
Easy as that?
It's not
15 minutes.
It's heavy.
Okay, a little bit more than, and it's very heavy.
Yeah.
And it's going in as he back comes the Raptor. There we go. So a few holes, like Tommy said, a few holes to drill.
I think it's about 6 or 8, something like that. I can't remember from the last one. We did one before, didn't we?
We did do one before. And where can the viewers see that, mate?
On YouTube.
On YouTube. Yeah, we go with Insta YouTube or YouTube-agram. You-a-gram? Yeah. Anyway.
Strip-a-gram, that's the one.
Yeah, so
$5.99 a night.
You know it. So you can see that on YouTube. Check that one out as well. Right, crack on, pal. Do tell us what you're doing.
So we've had this in and out and
show the people what we're on about.
We've marked her up. As you can see the little marks on here to show me which hole I'm going to use. And we have corresponding holes in here.
Oh, hang on.
I'm going too quick for you now.
You're fine, pal, you're fine.
So we've got corresponding holes in here, don't mind the swarf. So this has all been lined up, we've got it all marked out. We have retried the lid on, the top lid over there. Yeah. While it's in situ, just to make sure it all fits, nothing touches, rubs, nothing untoward. So, and before I drilled this out, I got your spare down, out of the way, made sure that we weren't drilling into anything essential like fuel lines or fuel tanks, which
you know it.
You don't really want to be doing that, I'll be honest. So yeah, I'm just now about to jump in, put my last little hole in the back. Yeah, then jobs are good, and we'll get it in, bolt it down, and get the thing put back together. It's pretty much there, really.
Superb, mate. Superb.
Not much left to do.
So just finishing the last holes, or
I'd say the most crucial bit is get your holes in the right place.
Yeah.
Because if you go wrong, that'll never really be right.
Might have a bit of a problem.
Yeah.
Excellent, mate. Okay, we'll let you carry on drilling the old holes.
Thank you very much.
And then, like Tommy says, we'll get we'll be getting the frame section all in and bolted in, and then we can line. That's the frame section, and then finish lining everything up, get it all together.
Lovely.
Lovely times.
I'll see you in about 5 minutes.
Yeah, probably. We'll let you drill away. You do some drilling.
You know what? Oh, I didn't want to be a bit noisy on the old bike, couldn't it?
Fine, mate. You drill away. We'll video and doing some work.
I hate to say this, but I can't find a hole.
He can really. He's only joking. Right, okay, so the guys are now getting the frame system in. Line it up with their marks. So they'll slide that in the back there. Like, as you saw, Tommy had put his marks in. Make sure you get it all lined up. And then it'll be time to put his bolts all in. Get it bolted in. Just so you know, what we'll also be doing is Tommy is going to underseal to protect where we've drilled all the holes, just so, of course, it doesn't cause any corrosion or issues to the floor section of the vehicle. Everything here, of course, is done properly. We don't mess about. So it's just getting the spray sealer. It's got a special nozzle on that. There we go. Yeah, that's it. Other brands are available, he said. Cool. So we get that all sealed up as well and then bolted in. Lovely times. So Tommy's now getting the final sort of screws and bolts and bits and pieces in. He's got the drawers already in place, as you can just about see. There we go, so they're all in. It's all bolted down.
Yeah, boy.
All bolted down, ready to go. It's just putting, like I say, the last fixings in for the runners, I think, for the top section, which is over here. So that's got to go in a moment. So just get everything tightened down and then get that section fitted as well. Quite a cool setup to go into the Raptors. It's the same system that will fit into the Wild Tracks, the Limited, the XLTs, I think it is. So this can be bolted into any of them. So, of course, do give us a shout here at Black Stag Styling if any of this is of interest. Check us out on our website and all of our socials as well. And, of course, some of the other videos on YouTube, because we've done another one of these tray or drawer systems in a Wild Track. Right, here we go. Now getting the sliding section all in. Guys have just got to line it all up. Everything else is all bolted in place now and secure. Just a case of lining this up on the rollers. And this is a section, along with like the drawers, where you can pull it out and lock it in position. So you can have toolboxes or whatever you might want to have on top of there. Like a glove. I beat you to it, didn't I?
I was just about to do the hand for it.
Go on, give us a little demo. Slide it in and out. Oh, all the way out.
No, not all the way. I've got the bump stops on.
Okay. And back in again. Yeah, just got some bump stops to fit. Look at that lovely drawer system as well. Oh, superb power. Let you get them last bits fitted and we'll do a demo at the end, shall we? Show how it works. Right, we're now over with Tommy. We're now all finished with the drawer system, so he's going to give us a reveal, aren't we, mate?
Yeah, so we have one drawer system. Voila, all fits lovely. Got lovely gappages. It's very close, but doesn't. It's
like a glove, isn't it, mate? Like a glove, just how it should be.
So we have a lovely little tray here that locks out in different increments, shall we say?
Superb.
And then you've got some anchor points which are adjustable, so if you were to turn it to the left a little bit and go up and down wherever you like, turn it to the right, tightens up, you can put your bungee cords or rope.
Superb. Superb. And it's got a couple of settings, I think you said, didn't it, on the tray system?
Yeah, so you can either be out here full chat, or you can go there, or it locks in closed. There.
Superb.
So,
and then we have some lovely drawers.
We've got the drawers. So these also have a little locking mechanism, which is activated by a little button down here, so you can have them fully out, so you only have one setting. And then you pop the little button down there, put them back in, and they're lockable as well. So you've got the little keys in the bags here, which we'll leave for the customer to do what they want.
Fantastic.
That way they don't get lost.
Superb.
And,
another good feature with these as well, and obviously you've got your two drawers. They're nice deep drawers as well, like you were saying before.
You can fit probably Alan's arm in there or something. He's quite a big bloke, isn't he?
I only fit half of Alan in each drawer, I reckon.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
We'll try it later.
You're underestimating the size of Alan.
Off camera. But you've obviously got toolboxes and stuff you can put on the top section of the drawers. But when the tailgate is shut, if you shut the tailgate up, so if you were looking through the windows into the back section, you can't see the drawers. No. Which is pretty good. So depending on whether you've got anything on top of there, but what's hidden in the drawers, you can't see through the windows. So pretty good.
Good safety feature.
Thank you for giving us that demo, Tommy. All good. Right guys, thank you for checking out another one of the videos here at Black Stag Styling. We are now all done with the drawer system for the Ranger Raptor. Lovely bit of kit this, so if we can help with anything like this, please do give us a shout here at Black Stag Styling. Do check out some of the other videos on the channel as well, as we have loads of styling, repairs, Maxton design bits, hydro dipping. So check out some of the other videos and give us a shout here if we can help with anything. We're going to take the vehicle out of the workshop now, do the last little bit of filming as we pull it out of the workshop, and we will catch you again soon for another video. So take care, we'll see you in the future. Oh, don't forget, do like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. Right, we'll get out of the workshop, last bit of filming, and we'll catch you again soon. Take care.